Things are shaking up in the full-size luxury sedan market. Mercedes recently introduced a thoroughly updated S-Class as a preemptive answer to the forthcoming BMW 7 Series facelift. Lexus is pulling the plug on the LS after a 37-year run, and we've now learned the Audi A8's future is up in the air. After noticing Ingolstadt's range topper is no longer available in the German configurator, we asked Audi to confirm our fears. Indeed, the A8 can't be ordered in its home market anymore. In fact, the order books closed about 2 weeks ago, with customers able to configure the final A8s on February 18th. When asked about global availability, A8 spokesperson Marcel Bessel told us it depends on inventory levels and other factors. Audi isn't saying when production will end, but with the Luxembourg no longer available to order on its home turf, it's a matter of when, not if. The D5 Generation A8 was getting long in the tooth, having been around since 2017. The facelift version introduced in late 2021 didn't move the needle enough to lure buyers away from the 7 Series or the S-Class. The update also brought a further stretched version for China that revived the historic Horch name to battle the Maybach S-Class, but it seems those efforts have been in vain. While the A8's future is uncertain, there is a reason to stay optimistic. Marcel Bessel told Motor One the company will communicate further details about a possible successor at a later date. However, the key word here is possible, as it's unclear whether a 5th generation has been given the green light. With no spy shots to date, a new A8 is unlikely to go on sale in the next few years. Last October, German publication Automobilwatch learned from an Audi spokesperson that the Four Rings were looking for a platform for a possible successor. Another facelift for the D5 was ruled out due to stricter emissions regulations. With Euro 7 looming, cleaner engines will be required to comply. Motor One's take: Audi once aimed to go purely electric by 2032, but has since changed its mind due to slower than expected EV adoption. The renewed interest in combustion engines could lead to another ICE-powered A8, with a platform readily available. The Premium Platform Combustion, PPC, is compatible with large vehicles such as the next-gen Q7 and the first-ever Q9, so it could likely be adapted for a full-size sedan as well. However, even if it's technically possible, it's no secret that demand for sedans isn't what it used to be before SUVs took over. Some markets in Asia have also shown growing interest in luxury minivans, so the old-school saloon is struggling. Investing in a new A8 that would follow the same formula used since the D2 arrived in 1994 might not be worth the hassle. Even if a sedan is approved for production, there's likely to be a multi-year gap between the two generations. That should come as good news for domestic rivals, as BMW and Mercedes are pressing ahead with their largest sedans. In fact, the three-pointed star has already confirmed the next S-Class will arrive around 2029 with both combustion engines and electric power.